Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And yeah, everybody is login through laptop or mobile.
Mobile.
Mobile. Okay. Yeah. What about remaining guys like Padmaja Garu and Hanumantu? Everybody mobile only. So do one thing. Tomorrow onwards, try to log in through laptop. Okay. Now my screen has been visual. Can anyone confirm me that? Like just a second. Going to share it now. Is it visible?
Yeah, visible. See, its screen is
I'm
Ram Ramo's
not
screen.
sharing. Yeah, yeah.
So please, I think
Yeah, it's me only. Raman is me only.
oh, okay,
So
okay.
you guys are like seeing my screen, right? Everyone?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, you carry on.
Yeah, okay. Today we are going to discuss completely about alter statement. So I have one table I created for this. Guys, this is the entire framework, guys. Like even in your work environment, this particular screen only you are going to work throughout your journey in a SQL Server developer journey. This is complete framework only you are going to work like because so that's why you should clearly I'll spend 2 more minutes in this framework because we don't get any chance to explain for complete framework. So I'll tell you, I'll spend 2 more minutes. Like this is Object Explorer base. Object Explorer is nothing but it is having all the basic of complete server details. If you want to, if it is not visible now, like if suppose it is not there, you can go to that view and then you can able to see here Object Explorer. Okay. Okay, this is one pinpoint, guys. Like if you want to pin, like if you want to stable, then you have to just pin this option. Then it will be it doesn't move anywhere. Like it will be here only. So if you want to space, like you can do this thing as well. Okay, and one more important one is like in this a new query. This is the whenever your SMSs you can start now. Then by default, I think you people are also observe that by default when I click that new query, it will display by default master database, right? So that because by default it will consider as a master database. This is system defined databases. It's a heart of the SSMS. So if you want to change in your database, then you can directly go to that. This is the place we have we have to, it is showing all the list of databases. Wherever you want to go, like whatever database you want to go, you can go and you can click that one. Okay. And one more is like, if suppose, if you want to use that particular database, if it is for suppose it is in right now it is in master database. If you want to use, if you want to go for particular database, you can use a command as well. Like same, here it will come. You can, if you have execute button, then it will directly jump into that particular database. Okay, fine. And one more is like execution button. Execution button is the, even you can in your laptop you can click F5 also, and whatever you want to execute. For suppose in my statement, in my session, this is one particular session. Okay, I'll close everything. This is one particular session. This is also one particular session. This represents the session number 57. Okay, are you able to see 57? Just confirm me, anyone.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this particular session is representing on 56,
56,
and
yes.
this is 63.
Yes.
So each and every session having some number and system. So what I'm trying to say, if you are in your session, particular session having multiple statements like create table name, and one more statement is like select star from employees. So if you want to run whatever statement you want to run, you just highlight that one and you can proceed. For example, here so many things are there. Like here two three statements are there. If I run at a time, then it got like see, I'll show you that one. So invalid updating, like okay, the database is like advanced works TW. If I run this one now, it will execute it. It will run properly, but you can try to improve your things like whatever you want to run. Like you just highlight that one. You just select that one. You can do that like this way also. Like by using mouse, you want to run this much money, you can run. Just execute. Like that you can run. Okay. So this is about complete some session details, and if you want to store the data like this particular session, for suppose I want to save this code here just in this place, or else here also control s, directly control s, it will ask you like to save. See save this one. It will save somewhere like in this particular path, it has been saved. But if you want to see, for suppose, just a second. One 51 SQL in master database, it is saved. Yeah. Okay, I'm taking one backup for this table. I'll show you how to do that. Now I'll show you clearly. I'm going to connect new query. So it is showing by default master database. Now I'm going to work on a particular database that is like AdventureWorks TW. Now I'm going to take one particular table, select star from product category. This is the table I am going to take. Okay, this table is having these many records. Now I would like to take a backup one table only for product category key and English product category name. Okay, I would like to take a backup. So just a second, guys. Who will tell you these things like Hanumantu? Yeah, Hanumantu is there. Or else Padmaja garu. Now I would like to take one backup and table backup this column, but I want to take only two columns only, product category key and English product category name. Okay, these
Okay.
two columns only I would like to take a backup. So how can I do that?
Select the star into
Okay,
dim product category backup.
okay, some backup table.
Columns of product the values of product category key, comma,
Where I need to put
backup of product category key, comma, English product category name,
okay, just a second. You're saying this product category key.
product category.
Okay, and English product name.
Dim product category.
Now only two columns are enough for me. Okay, product category key and English product category name. Okay, this is the syntax, right?
Yes, yes.
Generally, I'm saying I think so. Like, what is mean by star?
Whole data,
All the columns.
column the columns, whole data.
So columns always represent after select class only. And if you want to take all the columns, then mention star. I don't want to take all the columns. I would like to take a specific column. Then I would like to go for a specific column name. We don't want to write here, like if you want to write here, it will show you some syntax error, like see, the incorrect syntax for product category key. Okay. Here it is that simply saying that, so this is the table, like this is the table I want to take backup. In this table, I want to take only two columns. What those two columns? These two columns, like these two columns. I'll just copy that one and paste it on the place of star. So I want to take these two columns as a backup. Okay. Now even I can do the here one thing I would like to say, that the alias names, like if suppose as this is like a category key, CAT key. Okay, and this is like category name. Okay, CAT name. We can mention as, or else if you don't mention also, it is no problem. Okay, this is the things I want to do the backup. So these two columns I am going to see here. You can observe that the category names are changed. Column names, the category and category names. Now I am taking backup to these two tables into some product backup.
There is no as, sir.
No need. If you are, if you can mention, it is fine. If you are not mentioning also, it will consider as a alias name. That too, it needs to give after your column name. This is your actual column name, and this is alias name. Okay. So if now if I'm going to take into this is the backup table. Okay. Now I'm going to run. Okay, 4 rows are affected. Okay, this is my backup table. Now see, the column names are cat key and cat name. Okay, this column, this is the way to take a backup a specific columns on a table. You have to mention.
Backup file also.
Yeah, in a backup table, these two are the main columns. Whatever alias names, those are the main columns.
Backup table name also we have to take the alias name.
No. The table name we don't take any alias name. Only column names only we have to mention the alias names.
And the product underscore backup you have to put that.
Yeah, that is my backup table name. Here insert in generally what select star into backup table name, right?
Yes.
So here I'm doing what here I am doing taking only two columns into that backup table name. Here I'm mentioning only prod underscore bkp.
Okay.
This is the table. Then from the base table.
Okay.
So now I'm able to get only two columns in a backup table.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Mm.
So like this way we can take backups of a specific columns. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll go to do some basic alter statements. Then after we'll go at least some difficult ones, like we have to alter some constraints, we have to alter some adding a primary key to that particular column. Okay, now I'm going to check if suppose just a second. Now Naresh, hello Naresh. Hello. Okay. Just a second, guys. Hi guys. And that will do one thing. Now, hello. Nagaraju, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, this is my backup table. So I would
Yes,
like
sir.
to know about this table. Like, how can I do that? Like,
Right.
how many columns are there? How many data? What is the data type for that column? How to know by using a command for getting to know about the table, complete table information. What is the syntax? Or else what is the command for getting for knowing about complete table information?
Syntax, sir.
నేను ఈ టేబుల్ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. నేను ఏం చేస్తే ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సీ ఆల్ ద టేబుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. Is it any code, any command? We have discussed already. Okay. This is the command. Okay. Please note it down. This is the command to know the details of complete table information, like how many columns are there, what is the data types of that column. Okay. In this column is having any any primary keys, foreign keys, all those things. Okay. One more shortcut key is like select the table. Okay. Select the table. I'll show you. Especially select the table and Alt F1 in your tables. This is a one more shortcut. Alt F1, then you can get the same information. Just Alt F1. Okay. So now I would like to tell you the Alt statement. Okay. This is my table. Now I'm going to add one more column. See, I think in real time also, you have number of tables, you have number of in each and every table is having number of columns. Now you are going to add, client is saying that please add two more columns in a particular table. Okay, so now how to add? Already table has been existed. Now you are going to add specific columns. Now there is one alter statement is there. So this statement will do the all the things. Who is that? Already we discussed. Hanumantu. Hi Hanumantu.
Sorry for the
Naresh.
interruption. I am Rakesh.
Guys, are you there?
Who? Hello? Hello?
Okay. Padmaja garu.
Sir, alter table name.
Alter statement.
Alter table name.
Hello, Padmaja garu. Matlada.
Yes, sir. Alter table. You can't hear us, sir.
I think myself it is mute. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay. So
Alter table.
alter command. It comes under which sub language?
DDL, sir.
DDL means,
Data definition language.
yeah, good. So this is the command comes under DDL, data definition language. It defines whatever
Anna,
define we have.
it's a small interruption. Whenever this meeting is, automatically closed, all should have to rejoin immediately.
Rejoining it. Yeah.
So
Okay.
within 1 minute, it is
That's
automatically closed.
okay. Only 40 minutes is there, right?
Yes, its time limit is.
Okay. Then, guys, don't hesitate, and after close now, then rejoin again. Rakesh, we can rejoin again immediately, right? No need
Yeah.
to wait for.
Yes. We have your option.
Okay. Just we need to click that link only, right?
Ah.
Okay. Fine. Thanks for the information.
Okay.
And yeah. Padma said right. Alter statement is a DDL command. It's a data definition language. That means that we have each and every table, each and every database having one definition. So we have to change the definition. Definition in the sense like, suppose we consider one table. This table is having two columns, and this two columns is having these type of data types, and yeah, this is having this much length. These all are coming under the definition only. I would like to change my definition. I would like to change my structure. I would like to change my table entire structure. That's the call table structure, and here we are using alter statement. Okay. The alter statement it will do so many exercises, and we will go for one by one and a simple manner. Okay. Now I would like to add one more column.